Okay, today we're at Super Cheap. Getting parts for Ethan's new 300 ZX.
Yeah, what she said.
There's Ethan.
Hi.
There's Bailey, and that's Kelvin. You saw them last time. But first,
Chips.
a feed,
Chips.
courtesy of Ethan's delivery.
Onion rings.
Thank you so much for this. Eat on the spoiler, I guess. Dining table.
Love the dining table.
Okay, we just finished eating. Table's clean. We're gonna walk into Super Cheap now. Camera inception. Okay, walking in. These are so cute.
What is this? What the heck? They have this stuff in
Piston keyring, gear shifter.
I like how you're doing it on. Can you feel that, man?
Bailey's a mechanic.
He is.
Was a mechanic.
My certificate has expired.
Oh, is it? Oh.
So technically he's not a mechanic.
Not a,
DIY mechanic.
not a qualified.
So it seems like we're lining up right now. I'm gonna flip the camera because I feel weird. Okay, they're getting the parts now.
Done by next week? Done by January?
What?
Done by January?
Your car?
Yeah. Ready for listening.
Drivable. Colored tablet.
I have no idea. What to select? Which
Okay,
one's
we're
better?
shopping now.
What's
So if I film down here, I can only see like your chest.
You can't see your head. That's crazy. Just walking around like this. Even when I'm filming like here, it's already there.
Exactly.
Oh. Oh my god. The fuck? Why would you? Look, it actually like it changes the gradient.
Oh.
You see it? It's like
Yeah.
getting thicker.
Yeah.
Useless.
Okay.
Useless.
Buy spark plugs, they're not the right gap. So you gotta like gap it yourself.
Well, luckily the WRX was the right one.
If you gap it too much, the piston can hit the spark plug. And then it'll just push it.
Shit.
This angle's
Well,
not for
luckily-
you.
Luckily, I don't have that issue. How about oil filter?
Do you want an oil filter?
Got it.
Got one?
Yeah. He only said you needed like 3 litres. So
You get the 5 litre one, right?
Might as well just get a big ass.
Because you're gonna
Yeah.
use it. Or do you want to go to the big one?
Well, hopefully not. You know, I went through, I think, 4 bottles of 6 litres in my Audi. And I had it for less than a year. 5W30.
Yeah. It's expensive.
What's the difference? It has the sliding, just like the lock.
This will be fine. You don't need the top bit. You're not gonna have like.
You should get a black one though. Or red.
They got.
Make the whole garage black.
But it's not my garage, so.
Oh,
I mean, I can always get it.
oh, this is nice.
This is what I got at my mum's.
Oh, it's so. So heavy.
Like if you just start now, just a bottom box. You just fill it with some tools.
This looks so funny.
Don't be rude. My arms hurt a lot.
Look at the way she's holding this. This one? Yeah, I need a jack.
Yeah.
Fast shower.
Get one now. Now 130 bucks for a check.
Yeah, I reckon.
How much is the car weigh?
Okay,
Obviously
we
not
just
bad.
finished at Super Cheap.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Exactly.
Time to. I don't know. What are we doing now? Is Evelyn coming?
I don't know. She hasn't talked to me yet.
Oh, weird. Look at our cars. So cute. Oh, you can't see mine. Look, so cute.
You went forward instead of turning where I turned. If I didn't turn here, I wouldn't have seen this today.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, so some context. We are stopped on the side of the road because Ethan drove down the road and he saw 2 of the tofu cars just parked over there, and he stopped to have a look, and then the owners came out, and it turns out they have a Crown wagon and a 180 and all these other things. 2 86s, GR Yaris,
And apparently he has 2 Altezas.
and 2 Altezas. It's crazy. We just met them over there, Yeah. That's crazy.
Looking for a person?
That's the interior he's just showed us. I'm gonna flip the camera. It is insanely clean. That is crazy. It's so fat. Right. Let's see if I can't zoom out. That's the 180. Yeah. And then that's my car. Yeah. That's so cool. Very, very random. That's the A86 down there, and then Ethan's car.
So you recently bought it? Yeah, last one.
So now we're just on the side of the road. Fuck, I want a 180 so much. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but the 350Z is actually my dream car since I was like 14. And then like in my 20s, I've always wanted a 180. So I got my dream car. This is my second dream car. I really want a 180 SX. I've been trying to ask Toa to sell me his car, but he won't. So, okay, he's taking us to go see the A86, the tofu car. It's so cute.
Wow. Oh, you got it from Go Garage as well? Yeah. Nice. Wow, man. I love the pop-ups.
That's the interior. I've never seen.
Holy shit. I don't know.
This is so random.
Wow, this is so solid. Even just looking around.
Yaris parked in there.
Do you want to come have a look?
You wanna come out?
Because he was literally just driving and he saw these nice cars and he was like, Jess, come.
Yeah. Oh my god. I'll call me right now.
So some random just pulled up as well and wants to see the cars. This is so crazy.
Yeah,
This
I don't
is
know
so
what's happening
random.
right now. This is
You
incredible.
did this.
I did this.
So Ethan's had a seat.
Wow. Hi. Oh my god.
Do you like it?
I love this. I love the steering wheel. It looks so
I know,
good.
that was my favorite thing.
Wow. This interior is like spectacular.
He's
Oh
like
my
a
God,
baby.
He's wrapped everything too.
He's like an excited baby. It's
Stop
crazy.
that. Stop that. What?
I like the smell.
Yeah, it smells like
Old car.
old,
I like
old
it.
new car. Wow.
Yeah.
Well, I can't wait to bring my Z here
Yeah.
to meet up with them.
Yeah. What
Oh.
about me? Can I come?
Yeah, you can come.
Okay.
If you want to drive 40 minutes.
I don't mind. It was only 20 minutes. And even
Auburn.
like, yeah. And even from Eastwood yesterday, it was about 15 minutes for me to get home.
Only probably because no
No,
traffic.
15. Yeah.
Maybe she's speeding.
I don't speed.
I don't speed. This car
I
twin
don't.
cam. Yes.
Twin cam.
What's twin cam? What does twin cam mean?
Has two cams.
Yeah, I thought
Yeah,
so.
right?
I don't know. Guessing, yeah.